councilors, the Honorable Areza, Honorable Cuartiron, Honorable Plaza, Honorable Azarcon, Honorable Kale, Honorable Idbel Chulianes, Honorable Regina Areza, the Honorable Florena Oriarte, the SK Federation, Honorable Mark Vincent Sater, the Honorable Sir Eman Almeida, and of course to all our sponsors, Nelson Cantina, St. Michael College Incorporated, DepEd Cantina, Cantila National High School, Belicissima Resto Bar, Genome Snack House, 5H Store, Bardogs, Jeanette's Place, Biology Computer Store, Cantila Marketing, Zero Store, The Boys of Woodhouse, Camco, Cantila Ball Incorporated, Nipsus Store, Sunrise Inc., Casey's Hyperlink, Huerta Enterprises, San Pedro Coffee Bar, Resorts and Events Center Incorporated, Arnox, Suemco, Speed Net Auto Repair Shop, Espinola Store, Cardinal Pilang Eagles Club, Tepco, Manulet Bake Shop, Northern Mancardan Platsco, Iparageli Store, Orzales Optical Clinic, Hotel Carajao, Rosana Camping Arena, Cantilan Water District, Delta Fuel Station, Balogan Grill and Restaurant, Janice Rivera Bake Shop, Newport Machine Shop, Henry Store, Mobile Bake Shop, Rural Bank of Cantila, Isokto, Joe's Catering and Restaurant, and of course thank you also to PILG Cantila, Association of Barangay Campaigns, Provincial Prosecutor's Office, PJMP Cantila, PNP Cantila, RPC Branch 41 Cantila, PNP Cantila, and the Public Attorney's Office. And of course, the different brands of offices of the Republic. Thank you so much. Please, ladies and gentlemen.
So, yan ang kuha ng musika kay Ka. Ito. Ano siya? Dali yun, lumabaway ka naman ko.
Basta NM.
Ako, biasa magpahimang.